Yo, what up, what up, what up? We in Buffalo right here. You know, we got a blizzard the other day, but you know, we surviving. We got about a good 9 feet out here, man. See this shit? This shit ain't no joke. You know, but thank God for this Range Rover right here, keeping me alive. We even got motherfucking Ferrari bulldozers, whatever they motherfucking call. This nigga trying to hit me? I ain't got no insurance on my Range. No, we still getting it though. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna take it to the trap house. You know what I'm saying? We getting that out here. It's motherfucking Buffalo, the 716. This motherfucker, one of his lights off. Should pull his ass over, matter of fact. Yeah, look at this. This is the motherfucking Arabs though. Look at them niggas. They getting money. They send that shit back home. We got motherfucking ninjas in the street. Yeah, we out here, man. It's the life of a savage. Motherfucking Arabs over there, they're making all this money. Don't even pay taxes. Talk about taking our jobs. I think that's my daddy right there. Yeah, this is my block. See this shit? My motherfucking kingdom. Yeah, we out here. Let's do a remix. I'm gonna show you my other Lexus, but my Porsche is in the truck. I'm talking about my car, I'm talking about my baby mama Porsche. I put that bitch in the truck. You fucking heard you, dude. Why you gonna blow my shit off? Fuck, man. I'm trying to make a good video for once.